everyone. Today we learn about liquid drop model. Without wasting any time, let's begin.
Liquid drop model. About liquid drop model, this model is named as liquid drop model as it deals with similarities of nucleus with liquid drop. First, the shape of liquid is spherical due to surface tension. Similarly, shape of nucleus is spherical due to nuclear force. And second, in the liquid drop, the surface tension force is created due to interaction between adjacent molecules in water. These interaction forces are cohesive force and adhesive force. The cohesive force are created two water molecules, and the adhesive force are created due to interaction between water molecules and beakers. Similarly, in nucleus, the nuclear force is created due to proton-proton interaction and neutron-neutron interaction and proton-neutron interaction. So, resultant of all this interaction are nuclear force. 3. The density of liquid drop is constant throughout the drop. Similarly, density of nucleus is constant throughout the body. For if we give heat to liquid drop, then liquid drop will evaporate by absorbing heat energy. Similarly, if you supply energy to nucleus by bombarding particle, perform nuclear reaction and emit nuclear reactions. If we oscillate the liquid drop, then liquid drop will split into several droplets. Similarly, if we create disturbance to nucleus by some external factors, it will split into the particle, perform nuclear fission reaction.